So this is a demonstration of the water sensor working. The software that I'll be running is heart rate ADC bare metal. The talking out to a UART, that's not still functional, but however, what I did find is a useful program with a heart rate monitor on an Android app that'll actually graph the data. And what I have running is the development board with a potentiometer. So first thing I will do is run the heart rate. And right away it finds it's set to auto advertise, auto starts. It's running the water, WDM, whatever, water detection module is what I called it. A unique ID for every board. You'll find the ones you want. Now, for a quick demo, which is what I think you want to see, is how does it work in your system. You would click on the box. This is the IoT toolbox, and the thing to do is to go and run the heart rate monitor. It'll find the water detection module, NXP, so I click on that. And it goes ahead and joins it. There is some other information we can learn about the module by clicking down here, the information button. And what I've got it set up, it says the manufacturer broadcasts water sensor got chopped off. A serial number, just gave it 01, DK6 evaluation board, hardware, firmware, all of that's loaded up. System ID, there's no regulatory that's approved yet. And so it's showing a value of 0. Now it's saying chest because it is a heart rate monitor. The original application was a fake number. This will now read the A to D potentiometer. So I'll go back to this board, and you can see as I rotate the value, it does read the value. And it gives you a nice graphical plot of the water sensor coming out. Full scale is about 3,000. So I think this is a nice graphical value where now you can plug in on the board and actually see it running. So here's the other valuation board. I'll load up the software on that and show how it works with software. You could certainly have both of these running in parallel and be able to get a reading. So now showing how to run the single module by itself. Again, using the IoT toolbox, it does auto start by itself, no button clicks required or anything, just power it up. One of the unique things I've done is that I'm running the battery at about 2.7 volts or so. And so the battery voltage is also transmitted along with the water voltage. So I've hooked up wires to it. Right now, the water sensor broadcasts every second. The battery is supposed to do every 10. So again, it shows up as a water detection module, and it starts plotting out. It does start out with a value A to D converter, so you have to filter out where you want to detect for water level. And you can see on the bottom the battery voltage is at 88% because it's not quite 3 volts. It doesn't appear to be updating every 10 seconds, but every time you do restart it, it does read the battery voltage for sure. Now, if I do a wet finger on the part, you can see that it does jump up. And then as the water evaporates, it does come back down. So this will be a good start to detect how these things work. And again, right now you got to do a connection to them. The next step would be to do the advertising.